Hi everybody, today I wanted to share you how I spend Christmas holidays with my family and friends, but mainly my family. Minglava, Majimu ye English seasinga jozo bade, Burglish gale jozo bade. Burglish soda bamazgane, English gao yobia kaja, Burglish lakore. First, I make gingerbread cookies or gingerbread houses with my friends, my family, my cousins, and especially my nephews. But tomorrow, gingerbread cookies day, lote, lapa sweater, lapa lady, sinner, not we decorate it, lapa sinner. We bake the dough, and then they turn into gingerbread cookies or gingerbread houses. The dough popia kajo, the gingerbread cookies day, lota, no, lasen, lota. Lasen to decorate. We decorate it with candy, the jalonina, the decorations say lota, and then we put icing on it. Just a lot of sweets. Yoon is making her chimney. Mimin is helping me make my door.
And then
because it was ugly before.
Oh, power and energy what about?
Yay, now we're going to eat it. I'm just kidding. So, look at these cookies, look at the gingerbread house. It might not be perfect, but it is made with love. It is made with love, no? The cookies they are la zone pipu. Inyale la zone ine mopu. Dabi mat. The cookies they na di inle or la zen loda. Nalone, heart net, a chin net, nita net, loda. Alaja, please on it. That's why it's perfect, because we make it with love and compassion, and it's perfect. Then we gather around the table as a family and we eat. We have a huge feast. We talk about school with the nephews. We talk about what we want from Santa. And it's just fun to be with family. So, dinner lesaded. Dinner di zabwe boma. It's a feast. No, it's a feast. Everything is only the zabwe male. Hine miyai sade. Midazun as ga biore. Dule de ya chang chang biore. Santa ga throw. They talk about what they want for Christmas. After dinner, we open up the presents. We open up lots of gifts, presents. Let's sound open it. Nyaza bima. Nyaza dinner. After dinner. Nyaza bima. Let's sound open it. To see their faces brighten up, to see my nephew's faces brighten up after opening their presents, it's just priceless. Apo mapianainda, no? To be with family, to see my nephews, apo mapianainda, priceless. So the holidays teach me that it's not about material things. It's not about presents. It's not about money. It's not about the food, although the food is really good and it helps. But it's about the people that you spend time with and being around people you love. So don't waste your time on anything else, right? It's about community. Jimoado di holidays day alaya nema alaya tuya bari tembele soda. Jimon drakado di lasaune basanjang mopu lo. Achenya ayan tambushida. Time is so valuable. And I want to spend it with the people I love and people around me. I want good people around me, no? O lugaundri na, chita lure na, jimoat nejana, no? O tingejene, gauna tingejene, mitazu na, dulere na. I love you guys. Happy holidays. So this Christmas and during these holidays, I hope that you have a great time with your loved ones, no? And I'll see you next week on Machimon's English Burglish. Tell me what you did for the holidays or what you're doing for the holidays in the comments below. Bye. Happy holidays. And I'll see you next year. No, next year.